Hey Troy, this is Jeff once again with Zucker Marketing. As promised, here's your website analysis. So we'll be going over some few things that can actually help you rank higher, bring you more traffic, and of course get you more customers. So let's go ahead and start off with your website. You actually have a pretty good looking website. You have your logo here, you have your phone number, company's information, pretty good photos, nice layout, and good amount of content. So there's actually just a few things we're going to get over first to make sure we get you on top of the search list. One thing I can tell you right off the bat is that Google loves content. Google actually would like to see a minimum of 1,500 words on a homepage. And in addition to this, the more content you'll have, the more you look like an expert in Google's eyes. So of course, if you want to beat out the competition, you'd want to have 1,500 words or more. So let's go ahead and do a quick count just for us to see how many words you have on your homepage. All right, so currently you only have 229 words, which is actually quite behind with the goal that we have, which is 1,500. So that means we'll need to add more words to your homepage. That way, Google will actually consider your website a trustworthy website. Another thing I would like to talk about are keywords. Google is actually looking for keywords, so it's looking for what the site should be found for. So if you have the exact words listed multiple times on your website, you're going to be really relevant for that search. And of course, Google is going to be willing to put you higher in the results. So I actually did a quick search of the roofing and siding companies in the area you're servicing, and we'll talk more about the results that we have here. Starting off with the first one, so these are what we call the map pack. So this is actually something wherein you really would like to be on, since these are the ones that get a lot of attention, a lot of traffic, and are easier to find. One way for you to be here is you'll need to have Google My Business profile wherein you'll enter as much information as possible, like the company name, phone number, email, company address, hours of operation, photos, so on and so forth. And also, if you add those same information in as many directories as possible, like on Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie.com, that will also help you a lot to appear in the map pack faster. Moving on to the next part, these are what we call the organic searches. So these are all the website that actually ranks higher without people paying for any ads, just because they're doing some certain things. And that's exactly what we're going to analyze. So I pulled up one of your top competitors' website and let's see what they have differently. So looking at their website, they also have their logo here, their phone number, pretty good photos, nice layout, and pretty much the same with your website. Let's go ahead and dig deeper with the numbers instead. So this is Ahrefs, one of the paid tools that we're using for us to have some more information on the backend of your website. We'll be talking more about the numbers, so let's start off with DR. So this would be the level of trust that Google has in your website. UR would be the strength of your website. Backlinks, on the other hand, these are other website that refers to your website. So they're like shoutouts from different directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and alike. I also have your competitor's website pulled up here. We'll be comparing the numbers and let's see what they actually have differently. So as we can see, they have more numbers with DR, which actually means that Google finds their website a more trustworthy website, although you have a stronger website. The reason for that is because you have more backlinks. However, they actually have more keywords, which resulted to more traffic. So with that being said, let's go ahead and talk more about keywords and let's discuss the importance of having the right keywords on your website. So as you can see, these are all the keywords they actually have listed on their website. So when customers search for these specific words, their website will show on top of the list. And if you also look at the numbers under volume, these are all the hits or clicks that they're getting with the help of each keyword. So that's how important in choosing the right keyword is. That way, more customers will be able to find your website quicker and easier. Another thing I would like to share about keywords is what we call the hidden keyword. So let's use this photo as an example. So if we save this photo and instead of naming it with this generic file name with all these letters and numbers, you can actually rename it with a hidden keyword. You can do the same thing with the other photos you have here. That way you'll have more hidden keywords added to your website, Not only that, for those words as well to not to be repetitive on your website. So just to wrap things up, the most important things that we can definitely do to improve your ranking would first be the amount of content, wherein we're going to add more words to your homepage. That way, Google will actually consider your website a more trustworthy website and a stronger website. Next would be the backlinks, wherein we're going to add your information to more directories as possible. That way, we can actually bring you more traffic. And not only that, for your website as well to appear in the map pack faster. And last but not the least will be the keywords, wherein we're going to help you out in adding more keywords to your website, and also choosing the right ones, of course. That way, more customers will be able to find your website faster and easier. So that's actually all that I have for now. If you have any further questions, feel free to call us or email us back so that we can tell you the next steps and the other things that we can do. Thank you so much for your time. You all have a wonderful day. Bye.